Look, this is only my chance to do. Let me show you. Break these, and then break these. Then open the door like this, and close the door like this. Then you can build. So all you have to do is not this way though. This is the castle. So now I want to show you. This is shoes room. TV, the castle, me, tables, windows, TV shows, and just bedroom for bed, chairs and stuff, and instrument too. And now we have to go outside. You got it? Yes, you got it. What happens if you open this? Not open this? Gonna happen to you. You need to unlock new with fear. So I will get it. So now I get a block like this, and then one, and then like this. So now, thank you very much. So now, in the video.